Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salad dressing with yogurt. To begin, select a plain, unsweetened yogurt as your base. Greek yogurt is an excellent choice for a thicker, creamier dressing, providing extra protein. You will also need a good quality olive oil, a fresh citrus juice like lemon, and some basic seasonings. These foundational ingredients are key to building a flavorful and healthy dressing that complements any salad. Once you have your base, it is time to personalize your dressing. Fresh herbs like dill, chives, or parsley add a wonderful brightness. For a more savory profile, consider finely minced garlic or shallots. If you prefer a hint of sweetness to balance the tang, a small amount of honey or maple syrup works beautifully. Don't be afraid to explore different spices like cumin or paprika to create unique flavor combinations. Now, let's talk about mixing and achieving the ideal consistency. Combine all your chosen ingredients in a bowl and whisk them together until smooth. If the dressing is too thick, add water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your desired pourable consistency. Always taste your dressing and adjust the seasonings. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or a squeeze of citrus to brighten the flavors. The goal is a texture that coats your salad greens beautifully. Proper storage ensures your delicious dressing stays fresh. Transfer your finished yogurt dressing to an airtight container and refrigerate it promptly. It will keep well for about 3 to 5 days, allowing you to enjoy it throughout the week. Before serving, give it a good whisk to re-emulsify any ingredients that may have separated. This dressing is fantastic over fresh salads, grain bowls, or even as a dip for roasted vegetables. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.